Outstanding design defines the 2015 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.